Hey everybody, I have a huge diamond press basically haul. I was on HSN with our last craft day, and then so I got a lot on that, of course. That's what I do. And then also I went on mydiamondpress.com and they had a vault sale. It's still going, but most of the stuff's sold out. Had I known they were going to have this big vault sale, I might not have gone nuts on HSN. Anyway, whatever. It is what it is. But I've been saving up the HSN to go with the vault sale one, so I could just do it all at once. So hopefully you're interested. I don't know. So this one is called, and they're always nice about putting in a brochure that shows you what to do, what it looks like. So this is Christmas Big Sentiments, and I mean, they're good size. We wish you a Merry Christmas, etc. So there's the dies. So I got that. I think it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It was $27, so approximately. I'm not going to get into the change. Anyway, I think I got that off the last one. And they give you the little folder for the small diamond press when it comes with that. If it's the Grand Marquee, they don't do that, so just saying. All right. These are always so fun, though. I just need to... I got too much stuff. I'm like, okay. My goal was to make stuff with this stuff and then share it, but I've been trying to do that more, but I will be on with it soon. So this is the Pennant set, and this is what it comes looking like. So with this one, you get dies, stamps, say things like... Let's show you. I'm not a fan of the opening on this. It's taped down so much I have to really rough it up to get it out. But anyway. Okay, so it comes with all these pretty stamps. And do I have a piece of paper here? Oh, I have this. Okay, there we go. I just thought this was super cute. And I've been looking at the Tim Holtz pennant. He has one out. Or have, I don't know if it's new or, because, you know, on Saturdays now he's doing stuff with his old stuff, which is great, but then I don't know. Yeah. Anyway, so yeah. So I like that. And again, my goal is to make stuff with it and share with you. Thank you for watching my decoupage rabbit and all my projects. That was fun to share. You guys are so nice. I mean, I really do read all my and respond to most, if nothing more than a heart, but usually I try to say something, so because I really appreciate that you take the time to do that. Anyway, okay, and then I got this because it's adhesive cardstock, which is really handy, and this is the colors it comes with, and it was, I wrote down the prices, $19.25. How many pieces do you get? And it goes with their Grand Marquee size, too. Is nice. I don't know if it says in here. But anyway, lots of pastel. Oh, yeah, look at it. So there's these and these down here. Yeah, baby. Oh, my goodness. I always have a runny nose. Then this is my auto ship. And they always come in these containers, which is nice. But I think they give you labels. But anyway. Yes, I think they do. I need to label them because just to look at it, it's like, okay, I don't know what that is. Anywho, so here's what comes in. I'm not going to open each one because we'd be here forever. But yeah, look at all the goodies. They're really nice. You know, because, you know, I do office supply, American crafts. I'm telling you, I got enough about. I should open my own little store. Wouldn't that be fun if we could all just get together and craft and hang out? I would just love that. So just to open one. I mean, after I'm done with these, if I ever use them all up, I could... But look at this. They're really nice. I'm really impressed. Paper clips, debuts, and then all kinds of chipboard and bling and just fun stuff. Probably when I get back to my trailer, I will take these out there. I was with friends today. We were outside, and it started out warm, but boy, it suddenly got cold, and it's like, Of course, then I came home, took a good nap. Had Emma yesterday, and I'm having her family over tomorrow. I don't remember what I said this was. I think it was like 37 something. Anyway, she's just, gosh, I just love that kid, as you know. All right, then this is the Grand Marquee. So see, it'll say GM for Grand Marquee. This is the clutch card holder. So it makes this big. So I have, of course, the Grand Marquee. I have so many die cutting machines. It shouldn't be allowed. So, but I do like it because you don't have to put all the, you know, the platform, and then it's just these big envelopes. So this is what it, this is super nice because I need this, you know. I need this step by step. And they do that. It stamps and dies. Instruction sheet. Okay. Look at that. Is that what? Wait a minute. Wait, hold on here, people. This could be a long one because I really have way too much stuff. Okay, okay, here we go. Oh my gosh, I love this. Is this why I ordered it? Kim from the past, answer me. Oh my gosh. And the gal, what's her name, that sells this stuff, she could talk you into, oh my gosh, her name will come to me in a little bit. Kingston. She has her own company too, but she also does diamond press. But look at this guest check. A little note to, oh, that's so cool. Yeah, brother. Okay. Let me know, which one do you want me to make first? Vianney creates. If you need to see this stuff, she does great videos too. Oh my gosh. Certified Besties Club. Oh, I like this. This is worth, what did I pay for this? $41. That's a lot of money. Anywho, you know, it's, you could do it on auto pay or flex pay, and as long as you pay it each month, you don't accrue any interest. Yeah. Okay. And then, oh, this is the first. Sorry, I asked which one you want me to make first. I'm gonna override you. After this one, what should I make first? Because this is, I gotta make this right away. Is the Easter stamps and dies basket, Easter basket. So that needs to get done like yesterday. Embellishment ideas. So it, and they give you the directions. It's great. Oh, it comes with carrots? Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Look at this. With the bunny. The bunny butt. I love a good bunny butt. Anywho, so yeah, you get the dies to make the basket and lots of stamps to go. I think it gets, yeah, you get stamps. To decorate. Oh my gosh. Okay, I might have to work on this tonight. I need to clean up my house so the kids have somewhere to sit when they're over here tomorrow. For our early Easter. Oh my gosh, look at this. Okay, I'm gonna work on this. I need to do this one. Cute, 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 and more cute. Okay, so that's that one. That one was, I don't know if they're still available because it's such a big, but you know, when you look at how many dies you get and how many stamps, I mean, their kits are good size for the price, so I think it was like $40-something. Okay, Kim, quit. Oh my god. Okay. The stamps are wanting to eat up the die set. Okay. Oof, doggies. But if I don't put them back in, they'll get lost. So, yeah. I craft down in my main living area. I mean, it's all kind of one thing. On my dining room table, plus I craft upstairs. So I gotta clean it up down here. Alright. Okay, sorry about that. I should edit, but I'm not very good at that. Okay. Then large word dies. And I'm just gonna show you this. Oh, they come with vinyl stickers. Oh, that's not the die. Oh. Wait. Wait a minute. I thought these are extra stickers. That's kind of cool. You know, you'd think I'd be ready. I was really trying to be ready for you guys. I opened all the darn envelopes, but then this one is a separate. I thought that was the instructions or sample sheet or whatever. Okay. Ugh. Beth Kingston. Sorry. That's her name. Anyway, she could sell you a used, broken down car, I swear to God. So, very cute. I like it. There, like she says, this is your card. That's all you need. So there we go. Okay. So, my Diamond Press has their own website too. So here I get these. Cool. Oh, that's really, I'm always impressed. They do a good job. And anyway, so they also have their own shop, which I'll show you in a minute. And then Shadow Box die and stamps. Yeah. Okay. This was $19 and some change. Okay. They come with these little dotted adhesives. I'm not that impressed with that. But anyway, that's okay. If they want to include those, that's fine with me. So here's the directions again, which Kim needs. I can't never figure out anything. Adhesive sheet. They always give you directions on the adhesive. Oh, so you run it. Okay. That might work. You run it through with the die cut and the stamp. So anyway, it'll make a shadow box, right? That's why it's called a shadow box. Anyhow, alright, Kim. Shitty now. You always get your folder. Gotta love that. That's a good deal. Okay, let's get into my Diamond Press. We're getting along here, so especially when I can't put things away or get them open. Okay, here we go. So, from my Diamond Press, I'm going to write to HSN or Diamond Press and say, you don't need those big blocks. I don't like them. They're hard to open. It took me a while. These were the deals, man. This is a stamp, DP Bose stamp and die kit. $6. Yeah. You know, I love me a good bow. And look at the frames. Very cute. These are great for, like, if you're on a girls' weekend of crafting or something, you just bring these kits along and you got everything but the paper and the adhesive. Well, sometimes you even have the adhesive. So look at that. Isn't that cute? For $6, you got it. I'm in. I'll tuck that in there. Okay, and then look at the size of these stamps. This is the summertime sentiments. Summer sentiments. Let me get one of these boxes that I keep complaining about so I can put it behind. Yeah, very cool. And then it comes with this one. I think this was like, how much did I pay for this darn thing? $4 for all of this. Summer, yes please. Sun Kissed, you get your sun. So pretty. So that is that set. So yeah, the vault sale was unbelievable. It's like, and I think there was a code that went with it, and you got even more off. So I'm on the Diamond Press, a couple of Facebook groups, so they let me know to go shopping, which probably isn't good. Then I got this one. Oh yeah, this is the Poppies. Poppies. So there's the stamps. They're layered. And here's some of the dies. You can cut out the Poppies. I got home from a thing and I was like really tired. I said, I'll be taking my nap now. Do you guys nap? Does anybody else nap? I'm a napper. I'm a good napper from way back when. My dad was a good napper too. So there you go. You get all of that. And this. And then that's some ideas. Very pretty. I only paid $3.50 for that. Oh, wait. Hello, sunshine. I gotta keep this thing. So yeah, tomorrow I'm not doing ham. My son goes, will we be having ham? My ex-husband used to bitch and bitch and bitch about every Easter we have. I go, so does the rest of the world. And why? And I go, I don't know. It's the traditional food. So I decided, because my kids are leaving, I don't want a whole ham. So I had this one recipe I absolutely love. Creamy ranch chicken. It's over fettuccine noodles. Very, very good. Highly recommend. $2, and this is cute as a bug. Cute as a bug. Here we go. Kim's in a mood. But I took such a good nap, hopefully I can sleep. Yeah. Cute as a bug. Oh. Is that a cockroach? I mean, what is that? No, thank you. Anyway, I like that. I like the butterfly, of course. Oh, what the heck in all God's creations is that? Anywho. Oh, it's pretty though. And it was only $2. So why not? Came with stencils for the leaves. Here's my favorite bug. All these stamps. Very cool. But, yeah. Okay. Bargain, my mother used to say, a bargain ceases to be a bargain if you don't need it. And I probably should have skipped that one because I don't like that bug. Anywho, okay. This was another cool one, and I think it was like, I don't know, it wore off my thing, $5. It doesn't matter. It was cheap. It was like $5 or less dollars. Okay, anyway, it's the Tag Builder Stamp and Die Kit. Oh my god. And it comes with all these stamps, of course. And you get your Tag Builder dies and your sheet that tells you what to do. Now, did they send the... Oh, they send... If it's just... Nope, they sent this too. Bada bing, bada boo. Okay, so... Here's all the steps. What you can do on it. And there's the inspiration. Love a good tag set. So there we go. Of course, now I have coming in because, oh my goodness. My Creative Time came out with a wonderful new release. Oh, here's what I paid. $4 for all of that. And then I think, this is the last one. Background dies, brick background dies. I thought, well, that would come in here. You know, I'm getting into the whole embossing folders and backgrounds, and I thought this would be kind of cool. So you get this one, this solid one, and then this one. Let's see what they show how they do it. Ooh, use the frame or the cutouts. Okay. Very cool. Oh, I like it. Yep. Very cool. All right, so those are my diamond press ideas. They are things that I made. And I appreciate you watching. If you hung in for this whole thing, I really appreciate you. But after I make the Easter basket, which one should I do next? Oh my God, okay. All right, you guys. Take care, and we'll talk soon. All right. Bye-bye.